Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create smart task lists with Todoist filters. This is your complete guide for 2025. First, let's get started by launching Todoist and navigating to the top right where you'll see a funnel icon. Click on it to access filters. Filters in Todoist are there to help you sort through your tasks more efficiently, focusing on what's important. Now that we've done that, let's create a new filter. Hit the plus button, then type in your filter criteria. For instance, overdue and priority 1. This helps us because it automatically isolates all your overdue tasks that are of the highest priority. Next up, let's name our filter. It's best to give it a name related to its function, like urgent overdue tasks. The reason we do this is to easily identify and access the filter later when we have a bunch of them. After saving your filter, you'll notice it appears under the Filters section on the left. You can click on it to view your filtered tasks anytime. This matters because it keeps your most important tasks accessible and visible, reducing the chance of them slipping through the cracks. You can play around with different filter criteria based on your needs. For example, you can create a filter for tasks due today with the criteria today, or a filter for tasks assigned to a particular team member. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is using its robust search engine to sift through your tasks based on the criteria you've set. And that's it. You've successfully created smart task lists with Todoist filters. With this tool in your productivity arsenal, you're well on your way to staying organized and focused in 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.